নাই ঠাই নাই।
General Council has passed a resolution against this incident, which came to the CIT General Council were meeting on 9th to 11th in Calcutta, and we came to know about the incident, and immediately the CIT General Council passed a resolution condemning the incident and gave a call for protests across the country by all the CIT units. And even before that, CIT has been taking up the issue of sexual harassment of women at workplace, and the CIT General Council has decided to observe 1 week against sexual harassment of women in September 1st week.
Minimum safety at workplace. Minimum safety at workplace. Whether these elements, if there is any problem, whether the proper redressal mechanism legally instituted or not, whether they can, for a collective bargaining, whether they can do form the union or not. Such a basic right. Safety, there is no guarantee at all now. That is, safety means right to life. That is a right to life at the workplace. You see, even those people died in the earthquake cannot compare with the people died in the accidents. Nobody compare the accidental, the death toll in the industrial accident versus the rest of the accident. There is no comparative study in India. Even the labor statistics are very poor. The poorest globally Indian labor statistics. That is why death also not properly recorded. Every day, hundreds of workers are being killed. They are dying at the workplaces, in the factories, in the boilers, in the construction sites. Always, their life, how that can be prevented or reduced, how they can be saved. For crutches threshold they increase. Crutches has to be given to all lactating mother. Where the childbearing mother should be given crutch facility. Now the threshold is increased. You cannot imagine how they did. The breastfeeding time they increased. They reduced. It is called nobody knows it is. It is a breastfeeding time. Where the child knows, and all these things, if you see that child are hungry, then she will cry. And my mother is supposed to visit the crutches. So it is a most inhuman regulation they brought.
जो नव उदारवादी नीति के शुरुआत के बाद में जो सरकार का जो बुनियादी सेवाएं हैं, खासतौर स्वास्थ्य में, हेल्थ में, एजुकेशन में एंड ऑल्सो न्यूट्रिशन, तो इसमें जो सेवाएं जो यूनिवर्सली सबको उपलब्ध कराना चाहिए था, तो उसके जगह में सरकारें ये स्कीम्स बनाना शुरू किया ऑल इंडिया लेवल पे एंड ऑल्सो स्टेट लेवल। तो इसके जो आम जनता है, जिसमें सबसे ज़्यादा अनऑर्गेनाइज सेक्टर के मजदूर है, खेत मजदूर है, गरीब किसान है, उनके परिवारों का, उनके लिए जो सेवाएं हैं, वो सेवा का क्वालिटी भी इंश्योर करना बहुत ज़रूरी है। पिछले एक दशक में हम देखेंगे तो एक जो सीरीज ऑफ स्ट्रगल्स, हम लोग जो ये बोलते हैं कि कास्केड ऑफ स्ट्रगल्स, क्योंकि एक आंदोलन है वो दूसरे आंदोलन को इंस्टिगेट भी कर रहे थे, इस तरीके से वो चलते आ रहे। फिर एक बड़ा एक ब्रेकिंग पॉइंट हुआ था कोविड में, जो एक तो है कि सारे मजदूर तो अंदर में बंद था, काम बंद हो गया, लेकिन ये स्कीम वर्कर्स, तीनों स्कीम्स का, खासतौर आशा वर्कर्स, वो उनको तो सड़क में आना था, अपने ज़िंदगी का जो दाव पे लगा के, जो लाइफ रिस्क में लेते हुए उनको काम करना पड़ा, और वो जनता भी उसके ऊपर, क्योंकि तुम एक कोविड के लिए कैंपेन के लिए घर घर जा रहे थे, तो लोग भी उनके ऊपर में अटैक कर रहे थे, तो उसको भी झेलते हुए लोगों पे सेवा पहुंचा रहे थे, लेकिन गवर्नमेंट एक पैसा भी उसको नहीं दिया था। कि हरियाणा के स्ट्रगल है कि 4 महीना चला और वहाँ पे 975 लोगों को नौकरी से रिट्रेंच किया गया है। हड़ताल में सब लोग थे, लेकिन 975 लोगों को नौकरी से निकाल दिया है। जनवरी 22 का जो अयोध्या का जो राम टेम्पल का जो स्थापना का जो बीजेपी पूरा देश में, उन्होंने आंगनवाड़ी वर्कर्स को खास तौर में उसमें भी काम में भी लगाया था कि ये वर्कर्स मंदिर साफ करेंगे और हर जगह में राम का नाम जप करेंगे, ये सारा जगाया था। उसको भी हमने विरोध किया है। ये तो कम्युनलाइजेशन ऑफ सर्विसेज है।
Now why we are all central trade union, including CITU, we are asking to scrap this law? Yes, we need some amendment. There is so many amendment, pro-worker amendment that has to be done. In all the, you see, there are so many ceilings, so many thresholds that has to be done away with. Must be the part of the constitution. The worker basic right must be the part of the constitution also. Then only we can stop the misuse or any violation of this law. Right to life. We should not a revisiting. We should scrap this law and let us improve our existing law. That is the position of all central trade union, including CITU.
CITU strongly condemns the grotesque and brutal rape and murder of the postgraduate student and intern in the R.G. Kar Medical College in Calcutta. It was shocking that initially the administration and the principal informed the parents they wanted to make it seem that it is a suicide. Only after there was a big protest by the students, by the doctors and general people, women and other sections of the people, that investigations have started. The parents of the woman, the doctor, they were made to wait for more than 3 hours to see the body. The entire situation shows the attitude of the administration towards safety of women. The principal, who was forced to resign after these protests, he was immediately appointed as the principal of another premier institute of the medical college of the government. And soon after, within days, the place near the incident, when the seminar hall where the incident has happened, that renovation work was started. So the entire incident appears to be that there are efforts to protect the culprits. So CITU demands that there must be fast and transparent investigation. It is good that the Supreme Court has intervened and they have formed a committee. We demand that there should be a fast and transparent investigation, and all the culprits, whoever they may be, whichever position they may be, should be seriously punished, and such incidents should not happen in the country. The entire thing is that the POSH Act, the Prevention of Sexual Harassment of Women at Workplaces Act, was enacted after many years after the Visakha judgment has to come. Judgment has come, and after the Nirbhaya case, the Justice Verma committee was appointed and they have given recommendations, but neither the POSH Act is being seriously implemented nor the Justice Verma committee recommendations are seriously implemented. Even in public sector undertakings or in the government departments, the complaints committees have not been formed and they are not effectively functioning. Their recommendations are not being implemented. There is no place for rest for working women. This doctor worked continuously for 36 hours, and even after that she had no place to rest, and that is the same thing in many departments, many offices, whether it is public or private. Even separate toilets are not there for working women. The CITU General Council has passed a resolution against this incident, which came to the CITU General Council were meeting on 9th to 11th in Calcutta, and we came to know about the incident, and immediately the CITU General Council passed a resolution condemning the incident and gave a call for protests across the country by all the CITU units. And even before that, CITU has been taking up the issue of sexual harassment of women at workplace, and the CITU General Council has decided to observe 1 week against sexual harassment of women in September 1st week. So the sexual harassment is very serious issue with the working women. The incidents of harassment of women violence against women have been increasing. What we see today is political leaders of some parties, whether it is the Trinamool or BJP or some other parties, they seem to protect the culprits, the Bilkis Banu, the people who have committed rape on Bilkis Banu and killed her child. They were released on bail, and the BJP leaders welcomed them with garlands. So such incidents create an impression that you can do anything against women and you can go scot-free, and they are being protected. So we demand that such crime should be seriously punished. Those who commit such crime should be seriously punished, and women's safety should be ensured. Government should take serious efforts, make serious efforts to protect the safety of women at workplaces, and also for the doctors there should be safety where they work, and it is not only for the doctors and also for all the working women. Safe environment should be ensured. So CITU has been fighting against sexual harassment of women at workplaces, not only mobilizing women but mobilizing the entire workers, including male and women. So we demand again that the culprits should be punished in whichever place they are, whoever is involved in this crime, in this case.